Hey guys, I'm Trey Nixon and I'm a professional real estate investor, and today I want to show you my brand new construction 3-bedroom, 3-bath short-term rental located in Augusta, Georgia. Guys, we bought this property, tore it down, and then built this brand new home on it specifically just for a short-term rental. And today I want to walk you guys through and show you. I hope you enjoy. Come on, let's take a look. All right, guys, chef's kitchen, everything you absolutely need, from the waterfall quartz countertops to the slide-in range to the amazing coffee station, everything brand new, ready for you to come in, cook a gourmet meal, or sub it out and have a chef come in here and cook for you guys. This kitchen is exquisite. All right, guys, as you can see, absolutely no expense spared in any of these bedrooms. They're all king-size beds, heavy trim packages. As you can see, custom built with smaller closets just for short-term rentals. Every single bedroom's got a big screen TV, everything it needs to make this an awesome stay. Guys, this is a nice place. Guys, in your short-term rentals, you've gotta have full-size laundry. We always put a full-size laundry room for everyone to use. It's super easy. You can just walk right in and maybe the door doesn't open all the way, but we're gonna fix that, right? Before the first guest gets here. Come on. All right, guys, this is the heart of the operation, the screened-in porch. Massive screened-in porch, beautiful stained ceiling, party lights, TVs. We've got a dining area as well as an awesome seating area. This is where your guests are gonna wanna hang out. This is where they're gonna enjoy most of their time. And this is where I would hang out if I was staying at this house.